Welcome to Vision Effect TV, where we dissect engineering without compromise, entrepreneurship, and the relentless desire for freedom. They are no longer mutually exclusive. Today's visionaries do not build their dreams behind static office desks. They move, they explore, and they demand machines that can keep pace with this dynamic shift. Enter the Sinotruk Pioneer V, specifically, the newly unveiled rear-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic version. A vehicle designed to bridge the gap between commercial resilience and long-distance travel comfort. For years, this segment suffered from a heavy compromise. You either chose a pure commercial workhorse with a harsh manual gearbox or an expensive lifestyle passenger van that lacked the structural robustness for heavy cargo. The introduction of this RWD 8-speed automatic configuration might just close that missing loop. Step inside, and the utilitarian compromises of the past quickly fade away. The cabin is not just a transport space. It is a highly modular ecosystem, engineered to transition effortlessly from a high-capacity team transporter to a spacious mobile office, or a blank canvas for custom camper builders. The wide-body layout and flexible seating configuration mean that your business asset today can become your overland home tomorrow, without sacrificing ergonomics or the clean, structured design lines expected in a professional environment. Let us dissect the mechanical core. Under the hood lies the proven Weichai 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, producing a refined peak torque of 400 Nm at low revolutions. But the real masterpiece is how that raw power reaches the tarmac. The heavy-duty 8-speed automatic transmission manages the delivery with absolute precision, replacing jerky commercial shifts with a seamless, fluid dynamic transition. It continuously monitors throttle input and road inclination to select the perfect gear, reducing driver fatigue during dense urban commutes while ensuring the engine sits in its most efficient sweet spot. Whether climbing steep mountain passes or cruising on endless highways, this powertrain shifts with a clinical, uninterrupted smoothness, keeping the torque always under control. And then, there is the rear-wheel drive architecture. In a world dominated by front-wheel drive setups, RWD is not just a layout preference. It is a fundamental engineering necessity under load. When this massive cabin is fully loaded with heavy business equipment, or converted into a mobile living space with water tanks and overland gear, the center of gravity shifts dramatically. This shift transfers the weight directly over the rear axle, pushing the drive wheels firmly into the tarmac. The physical result is immediate. You get consistent, uncompromised grip, exceptionally stable towing capability, and a composed ride quality that front-wheel drive alternatives simply cannot replicate. FWD platforms under the same load suffer from front-end lightened traction, leading to wheel spin on wet pavement and steering instability. But with the Pioneer V, the heavier the load, the more planted the vehicle feels. This mechanical layout also separates the steering and driving forces, giving the front axle a clean, unburdened steering feel, while reducing the vehicle's turning circle, an essential asset when navigating tight city alleys or narrow mountain trails. Look at the bigger picture. Sinotruk is capitalizing on a massive structural shift in the automotive landscape. The modern entrepreneur is no longer static. They are a traveler, an explorer, a digital nomad who refuses to separate professional utility from personal freedom. By combining a heavy-duty Weichai diesel engine, a smooth passenger car-like automatic transmission, and the load-carrying benefits of a rear-wheel drive chassis, the Pioneer V makes a compelling case. It does not just fill a gap. It completely redefines what a multi-purpose vehicle should be. It shatters the boundary between workhorse and lifestyle cruiser, offering an uncompromising tool for those who demand both commercial resilience and boundless travel comfort. To stay ahead of the technical curve, make sure to subscribe to Vision Effect TV, and we will see you in the next analysis.